So right there is one of the water taxis to take you out to Half Moon Cay. And it looks like they're already jet skiing out there. But this is Carnival's Private Island, Half Moon Cay. From the sunshine as we wait to be called. So what we're doing, I don't know if you can hear out here on the deck, we're waiting on them to call our zone, 38. And right now they're at 28 to take us out there on the island.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and today the tide brings us to Half Moon Cay in the Bahamas. Let's go, check it out.
So here's the side of the Sunshine Carnival. The boat in front of us. All right, first of all, we're sitting on this water taxi with Blake and Diane. We're about to get seasick. This will let you know how choppy it is up here. Or key. So on the island you can do snorkel by boat, horseback riding, biking, and even more. Little Sand Salvador. A bar on this side. You can, but that's the church.
Wait, see the church on the other side.
So here's a bar right here. All right, so we got down here on this end. You can see thousands of people. And there's our ship, the Sunshine.
Alrighty, and as you can tell, this is not Myrtle Beach water. This is Half Moon Cay water. Look at that. Here, let's show them.
Some folks call it Half Moon Cay.
But look.
Because it's spelled C-A-Y, but
you can really see through this water. Look at that.
What?
That still isn't clear there.
But look how blue that water is. And right here, this is on the beach portion. And as you see, as it goes out, the further down you go, the less populated it is. And if you want your own private beach, you can go all the way down.
So I'm gonna take them down there to where all the activities are going on, because you see those cool canopies. Let's go check those out. Those look pretty neat.
Let's do that.
Let's take a fast walk.
Look at that.
All right.
How wide it is.
So I don't know if you've ever been here or not, but this sand actually feels like it's like a smooth clay or something like that. It doesn't have those little teeny seashells in it that you step on and hurt your feet, does it?
No.
It's pretty cool.
Somebody said they thought it was ground coral, but I'm not sure.
Oh, and it is very packed, as you can see.
Look at the activities.
Yes.
The bikes, see the pedal bikes?
And we brought an inner tube, but I might have to rent one of those big ones because mine is kind of like babyish little. But hey,
it's like a donut, about that big.
Yeah. Let's see if we can show y'all the fish that beatbox.
Look at them.
Oh, this little teeny
See
thing?
the little ones? Yeah.
Let's see if I can show y'all. Oh, here comes one coming in. Let's see. Look at that. That looks like fun. That's pretty cool. Sun blocker right there. All right. And don't forget, you can rent the little cabins. I think the big ones are $1,200 or more, and the small ones are $1,000. And it might be more to even get the big ones, but they're pretty nice. And if you have a large family, that might be something that you'd want to invest in. And there's a sailboat that's out there on that beautiful water. And this is the most important thing you'll want to know is here is one of the restrooms. Whenever you walk down on the far end of the beach, is the restrooms.
They have a big sign, but it's hard to see with all the vegetation and foliage. But we'll walk through the jungle here. Get to the restrooms.
There you go.
There you go, look. There's the gulls and the buoys. How about that?
So once you get on that beach and you get hungry, you want to come over here to the buffet. There's some cool spots and grab you a plate of grub and maybe some fruit. Let's go see what they have left.
Okay.
Smells good, don't it?
I know, I told you I smelled something on the beach.
Yep. And the fruit looks good as people are walking by. I see.
There's a ton of places to eat, as you can see. There's the Bell Bar.
I think this is the line.
Oh, there it is, right over there, Tier.
There's the drink stations.
Right. And there's buffet style with somebody's waving. Here's your fruit on this side and cookies. So we got us a couple of hamburgers.
Yeah, and I'm gonna do no bun and lots of onions. Beef box doesn't like onions, so.
I like cooked onions, but not raw.
So he got the potato salad, which is good, and I got me some slaw that looked like it had Raisins, oh, cranberries.
Was that cranberries?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Got your shower off right there. Convenient if you want to get out of the ocean and spray your feet off. Now that we've got our fix of hamburgers, wow, look at that view. We're going to head back to the beach.
You can see the ocean and the ship and everything.
Back into the sand. It's time to have some fun.
Oh, somebody brought their own tent right here. Look, the little...
I suppose if you want to pack a tent, you can bring your own little tent. Keep the sun off of you.
So look at here. So, like we said earlier, the further you go, as you can tell, the less crowded it gets. Hold on, let me back it out. There you go. Now, look at that big one right there, Big Bots. Very colorful.
I like it.
Okay.
There's the ship.
Look at that. Isn't that wild? Now, what's that? Is that where we came in all the way down there?
Yes. So the water taxis bring you all the way through here, drop you off somewhere around in here, and you walk down.
Did you
the
find
beach.
anything?
Swam with sea turtles.
You swam with sea turtles.
Well, we were going to go down there.
Did you
That's
grab one and they
cool.
took you?
Yes.
Mm.
And I'm like,
Where at?
that's the
That
best
way?
day of my life. That way. I told you I was going all the
Well,
way
we were
down
coming down there to find you.
Yeah.
in the water.
Yeah, in the water.
All the way in the water.
Wow.
I'm going back.
Well, we're
You going
coming with
back?
you. Hold on, let me get a hat.
Well, that was a look here at Half Moon Cay, right here in the Bahamas on the Sunshine Carnival, which is right out there.
Boop.
If you want to keep up with what's going on around certain beaches, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification. It'll let you know videos that we post, and we post them weekly. What else you want to say?
That's it. Until next time, keep beaching.